Hey, so we are going to learn how to install Jupyter and configure it with the Visual Studio Code. So for that, obviously you need to install Visual Studio Code on your laptop first, and you also need to have your Python installed on your laptop. And after that, we'll go to terminal here. We'll go to new terminal and we'll write pip install notebook and we'll enter and we'll install. And after that, we need to go to new file right here, click on it, and we'll create a file of .ipynb. And we can name it anything. For example, we'll name it example.ipynb. Enter. And right here, we can write our code. So I have a very simple code copied already. So I'm going to paste it here, print hello world, and we'll try to run it. And then you will install Python plus Jupyter extension. And as you can see, it's installing Jupyter extension. And after that, Python environments, Python again, and it's running now. So we have successfully configured Jupyter into Visual Studio Code, and we can write our code right here, and it's running. Thank you.